Hey, coffee lovers! Ever thought your morning cup of joe could do more than just wake you up? Well, hold on to your mugs because new research suggests that your daily coffee or tea might just be your brain's best friend. Imagine your morning brew being a secret weapon against brain aging. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Let's dive into this hot topic and find out how your favorite caffeinated drink could be doing wonders for your noggin. Now, I know we all love our coffee breaks, whether it's the first thing in the morning or that afternoon pick-me-up, but what if I told you that those 2 cups of coffee or tea aren't just boosting your energy, but might also be shielding your brain from dementia? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, let's brew over the details and see how your daily caffeine habit might be doing more than just giving you a jump start. So, here's the scoop. 2 studies, not just 1, but 2, presented at the Alzheimer's Association International Conference, have spilled the beans. Turns out people who drank at least 2 cups of coffee or tea daily had a 36 to 38% lower chance of developing dementia. That's right, folks. Your brain might just owe you a thank you card. Let's break this down. The first study followed 6,000 adults for about 7 years. 7 long years of sipping coffee, and found that those who stuck to their daily ritual were much less likely to develop dementia. This was a sizable study, so it gives us pretty solid insights. They looked at various factors, like age, diet, and even genetic predispositions, and coffee still came out on top. And if you're thinking, what about tea drinkers? Don't worry, you're not left out. Tea drinkers had similar brain-protecting benefits. The research didn't favor one over the other, so whether you're a coffee aficionado or a tea enthusiast, you're in luck. Talk about steeping in goodness. Now, what's the secret sauce in these drinks? It's all about the polyphenols, those magical plant compounds with fancy names that basically act like superheroes for your brain. They swoop in, reduce inflammation, fight off stress, the bad kind, and keep those brain cells ticking longer. Polyphenols are abundant in both coffee and tea. In coffee, you've got chlorogenic acids, while in tea, catechins and theaflavins take center stage. These compounds are powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress. This stress, if left unchecked, can lead to neurodegenerative diseases like dementia. So your morning brew could be serving up a side of brain protection. But here's the catch. Like all good things, too much can be, well, too much. The research suggests sticking to about 2 to 3 cups daily is the sweet spot. Any more than that, and you might end up too jittery to remember why you're drinking it in the first place. Plus, excessive caffeine can have downsides, like affecting your sleep or causing digestive issues. So, moderation is key to enjoying the benefits without the side effects. Of course, no study is perfect, and these are no exceptions. They're observational, so while it's cool to think that coffee and tea are magical elixirs, we can't say for sure that they directly prevent dementia. Observational studies show a correlation, but they don't prove causation. It's like seeing that people who eat more apples tend to be healthier and assuming that apples are the magic cure-all. Plus, don't forget, eating well, exercising, and maybe even solving the occasional crossword puzzle are also part of keeping your brain in top shape. A balanced lifestyle contributes to overall brain health, so don't rely solely on coffee or tea. They're a great addition, but a well-rounded approach is your best bet for maintaining cognitive function. So, should you start brewing up a storm to protect your brain? Sure, but remember, coffee and tea are just one piece of the puzzle. A healthy lifestyle is still your best bet for staying sharp as a tack. So go ahead, sip, savor, and enjoy those coffee or tea moments, knowing you're doing something good for your brain. And hey, if you're already a coffee or tea lover, it sounds like you might be on the right track. Just keep it balanced and enjoy the journey of maintaining a healthy brain. If this video perked up your interest, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow coffee or tea enthusiasts, and subscribe for more brain-boosting tips. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your coffee or tea count for the day? We'd love to know. Also, if you have any favorite brews or recipes that you swear by, share those too. Let's keep the conversation brewing.